What is it?
Ayuda voice.
What are you the fries?
Ayuda. Twins Ayuda voice.
You asked Lola Papa.
Already.
Oh, already na pala eh. You have ayuda fries na. Wow, many packet. It means you have many ayuda. How much is your ayuda? You have many? Wow, many ayuda.
Magic.
What magic?
Number Ayuda voice.
Wow, give it to me na. That's my ayuda.
I'm magic to Ayuda voice. Magic no voice.
No more ayuda fries?
For you.
For me? Why you don't have?
Kita mo.
Okay.
Magic.
Let me sing how much is your ayuda?
Magic to Ayuda twins.
Wow, many ayuda ka na eh. Let me see lang. Wow, many. How much is this? Wow. Can we buy a fries with this money? Not yet.
Not enough.
More voice Ayuda twins.
More say mo na to me.
Thank you. Please.
I'm gonna check lang, bebe, ha? Here, for Puchut. You have ayuda. You have 7 pesos. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Buy five.